In Kitzur, we spoke yesterday about the very interesting halacha of putting on two garments or taking off two garments at one time, as it brings one kosher l'shicha, causes forgetfulness. So the Kitzur Yomi at the end of SIman Gimel over here talks about another interesting halacha, but he doesn't bring down the heterim. He says one should be careful. Yesh li zahir, shlo yelich ish bein shnei nashim. A man should not walk between two women, not between two dogs, or between two pigs. Similarly, two men should not allow. So the halacha just says, don't walk between two women. It doesn't say why. It doesn't say what you should do. You're walking. What are you going to do? There's someone standing there. You have to walk. So it starts, very interesting. They came to Chaim Sheinberg, and he said, you're walking on the bus in Eretz Yisrael, everyone's taking buses, not everyone has a car, and you're walking down the aisle, and there's a woman on either side. They said to Chaim Sheinberg, are you allowed to walk down the aisle of the bus? It's going to create the havoc. Okay, they have the Mahadran buses, I understand, but they asked for Chaim Sheinberg. So Chaim says, number one, it says between standing. If they're sitting, it doesn't exist. So already you start to see if you can make such fine nuances. Obviously, this is more than just, your milk spoon and your meat pot or something like that. There's obviously something a little bit deeper, a little bit more Kabbalistic over here, governing this halacha. And the truth is, it is. And the reason for this is, believe it or not, it's kosher l'limud. It messes with your mind. Similarly to putting on two garments. So how does that mean? It makes you forget, whatever that means. So the question is, what do you do? What do you do? The bottom line is, you're walking, and you got to walk, and there are people, and there's that. What are you going to do? So the answer is, says the Paiskim, or Shem Zalman says the same, is to hold something. And again, when you see what the answer is, it shows you that we didn't understand what the whole problem was in the first place. They say, it says the Sefer Piskei Tshuva, Shem Zalman, says the same, hold something in your hand. You're holding something in your hand, now it's not a problem. Now again, why, if I'm walking around holding a stucco box, it's going to be a little bit odd. But let's just say, for example, you start giving you stuck as you walk between, I don't know what's going to go on. But anyways, you're walking holding something, says Rosh Zalman, optimally, you should be holding a chayfetz of a mitzvah. Very, very interesting. I guess that was my stucco box. Chayfetz of a mitzvah. So the truth is very good. That's what I was going to say. Baruch Hashem, this is one of those things I don't think we have to worry about nowadays. Why? Your phone is always in your hands. Whose hands? Your hands are ever empty. Your hands are ever empty. So if you're holding some, what? That's the problem. That's the problem. So there are some if your tzitzis are out, some like to hold their tzitzis. Shlomo Zalman says hold your payas. I don't know. Maybe if you have the long guys, maybe that's where it comes from to play with them. But either way, that's this interesting halacha that one should try not to walk between two people of the opposite gender. And if you are, you should hold on to something. We don't understand it. Okay. Emir Hashem, it's kosher l'shicha. More we're makbid on halach, even when we don't understand. Emir Hashem will be zeicha to be makbid on all halachis.